Okay, this is the stage I'm up to. This is just a simple circle and some simple lettering that I've printed out, so I didn't want to go through all that. I laid these letters out how I wanted them. I've actually got a couple more letters to go up here, but I laid these out how I wanted them and then drew around them. And then cut these pieces of wood so that they would hold it off the backboard. So like this is the O. So before I do any of these, I just wanted to show them on there. Okay, so now I'm just going to draw around all these because I'm happy with where they are. Now I'm going to drill my holes through. Okay, so now I'm going to start screwing these. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back. I'll put a stick on there a little bit. Place it down and it's in the correct spot, and then get a screw from underneath. Yeah, I didn't show too much of how I done that, but this was the final outcome. Basically it's just the painted circle, painted with gold acrylic, and then I just glued the letters onto the, onto the wood that I put on there, that I screwed on there earlier on. And the top letters up there, the ITZ, I just stuck straight to the board to give it a bit of depth to it, but very simple sign really. So yeah, just wanted to show the outcome, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll put out another video as soon as possible.